time to add more carriages. Right, so let's take the train apart. So now we have some carriages. Right, let's start off with 2. Whoa. And then here we go. Right, and we've got 2 carriages on a double-sided train. Hey, here's 2 more. That means that we can carry more people. Let's move one of the ends off and put these on. Whoa, this is very long. I think this is going to do good. Okay, let's go to the passengers at the, what is it called? Train station, right? Train station. And it's over that way, just behind you. So let's travel our train. Whoa, wobbly, wobbly, we've not fell. Yay! Oh no, I think we've had a crash at the back. Now what are we going to do? I know. Let's get the police to help. I think they should be at this train station. Here they come now. What is it, train? I'm broken down, can't you see? Okay, I'll fix that. Almost done. You're still a bit wobbly on the tracks, though. Let's fix you. The carriage at the back looks bad, doesn't it? Yeah. I think I'm gonna need help with that. Okay, train. Well, can you come out of the train, please, and help me with this? Heave. Actually, can I have a ride on it? Of course you can. For helping my train, you can have a free ride. Okay, you go back in. Okay, let's go. There. Wait, time to hop in. Oof. Hold on. Are you triplets? Yes, we are. Okay, hop aboard then. And also, we've got some milk and strawberries, so we're going to need something to carry them. I don't think we can do that. Sorry. Oh, but we really wanted to. Maybe we could find something later. But now it's time to go. Hey, look, an oil can. That should help me drive. Look, another oil can. This can come in handy. I'm just going to skip putting it on this time, okay?